Okay, here we are, first shooting location, top section. This is one of my favorite hairpins to start at. As you can see behind me, we got the city of Colorado Springs. It's absolutely epic. Usually it's a lot colder. Usually I'm freezing. Since the race started later in the year, we're actually starting in August. Alright, so they're about to start, and then we're going to shoot sunrise from up here. Hey everyone, Larry Chen here. We're on top of Pikes Peak. We're actually about 13,500 feet at Devil's Playground. Today we're actually using the GoPro Zeus Mini Light for a couple things. It's actually lighting me right now, but we're able to use it to set up our cameras. We're able to use it for video light and also for a stills light. Part of it is that it's so small. It fits on top of my hot shoe, on top of my Canon 1DX Mark IIIs, and also it just fits in my pocket. It is so much brighter than any cell phone light, so it's so nice to use as a production light. It's awesome. It's rechargeable, and if you actually need a production light that's handy and that's small, this thing is perfect because it works with all the GoPro accessories. And plus you can clip it to anywhere if you need light for whatever reason. I'm starving. We woke up at 3.
What time is it now?
Hey. I can't talk. I have nuts in my mouth. Day 1 of practice in the books, hardest day of the whole week. Now we should be acclimated, and also we should be used to the sleeping schedule. It's rough. It's really rough. Here we go. It's 3 a.m. and we're all getting ready to go up the mountain. I'm making breakfast of champions, a little bit of curry noodles. We gotta get our cameras ready, gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna head up. Right now. And I'll distract him.
Over the shoulder shot of you doing stirring up the noodles.
Noodling. Oh.
Your mic sock looks like there.
Here we go. See this? 100. Number 100. I'm number 1. Just pan to that. Today is Friday, last day of practice. The pressure is off for the drivers because they've all qualified, but the pressure is also off for us as photographers because we've already shot 3 days of practice. We've shot pretty much in every section of the mountain already, and the only thing left for us is just bonus photos. Being the official photographer, it's little tough versus a lot of assignments because of the fact that we have to shoot everybody. We have to shoot every team, and we have to push really hard every single time because we want to represent the race in the best light possible. We also want to document this race to the best of our abilities for future generations. This is the 98th running, and I've only been a part of this race since 2011, since the last year of the dirt. But being able to photograph it since then, it's been such an honor. It's such a big honor to kind of have this responsibility to document it because it's coming on its 100th running, and it's the second oldest race in North America. This race is interesting in that it revolves around just a single run up the mountain. For the competitors, they have one shot, one attempt,
one opportunity
to make a pass up this historic pass, and if they mess up, they have to wait another year just to make another attempt. So you only get a finite amount of passes in your lifetime, or at least official ones, timed ones. So that's what makes it so special, you know, and that's what makes it worth it for so many people all across the world just to come gather here in Colorado Springs for this event. It's really amazing to see every single year. Here we are, race day. This is the day that everybody's been waiting for all week. Everything leads up to this moment. Going through the gate right now. Morning.